eating. Gagawa tayo ng granola yogurt for our breakfast tomorrow. Yan, request ni Popsy. Greek yogurt, sa kanya is mango. Yan, let's do our yogurt, granola yogurt, mixed fruit with coconut. Yan, pasalubong yan ni Cathy for us from Abu Dhabi. Diyan, layer lang natin yung yogurt natin with our granola. That's our granola yogurt for breakfast. So yan, tapos na yung sa atin, yung kay Popsy naman, mango with the yogurt din. Breakfast. At tapos na ang ating granola yogurt for breakfast. So yan, kay Popsy, yung mango, sa akin yung Greek yogurt. Enjoy, enjoy. Thank you, Kat and T, for the granola mixed fruit with coconut na pasalubong from Abu Dhabi.